So we moved from Trecoci. We're still in company of our friends Honza, Jan, and Johan, and we arrived to Passo Giau. What a wonderful place, amazing roads. This is a parking just on the side of the road, but we have some place where to leave the dog. See, you can put down that leg. A yoga dog. Still Passo Giau, just an amazing sunset will be epic. We scout a little bit the top here of the mountains to find a good composition and a good place where to place cameras, get some pictures, time lapse, and use the drone. So the guys are cooking, and in half an hour we will go up to the place where we think it's the best where to put the cameras. So you come with us. So here it's Vanlife without the wife. So that's what happened. Nobody want to clean dishes.
Use foil on your dishes. Aluminium works the best.
All right.
You gotta do a reveal shot.
Yeah. The master chef.
You gotta go like this.
No, hold on, wait. Don't you make like Instagram shots where you first walk up to it?
So explain me how is the Instagram shot. So I shoot my feet. That's it.
A bit too close. Your junk is a bit too close to my head.
Okay, so that's the Instagram shot. See what three guys eat in a van.
Cow penises.
Well, actually two guys, because the third one is of noodles, the Chinese noodles from 10 days. So this is the van. It's a complete mess. In the van.
But I think
Look at the mess here inside. I mean, it's like hobos van life. And another lucky things about here that we always found a nice parking like here with just an amazing view and with some place where I can take out the dog and they can be free without the leash. It's so important for us to have them running 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day. They're so active, and we don't want them so active inside the van because we'll be a mess, especially Aria. So like here, it's really beautiful. Cows in the backgrounds, green grass, and what an amazing landscape all around. It's like really 360 degrees. It's just amazing. I think this is so far one of the places that I mostly love here on the Dolomites. It's just beautiful, and still half an hour we're gonna go up with the guys and start some shooting. So check it out. I would say day is over from this morning at 4 o'clock, hiking to the lake, then coming back, moving here, climbing up here, waiting for the sunset. It wasn't as we expected, but still I got something out of it. Anyway, it was just nice to be up there and watch everything around. Yeah, so going back to the van, still some food from today, and take a long, long nap. Good night, guys.